I'll be teaching you how to disassemble this patch panel and the switch. First use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screw itself from switch and the patch panel. This is how you remove the screw. Be careful not to drop the screw, especially this patch panel. Now the other side. Now careful, remove this patch panel. Don't forget to sort this screw beside the patch panel. Next, we will remove the switch. Then next, the other side again. Then set aside the switch. And sort again the under screw beside the switch. That's all. Thank you.